In this video, you'll learn how to trade options on thinkorswim mobile for iPad. To begin, pull up an underlying security by searching for a symbol or tapping a symbol in a watch list. This will load the quote details for that stock. To bring up the options chain, tap the Options tab below the underlying quote. For this video, we'll demonstrate how to place an order to buy a single call option. Note that the steps are the same to buy a put. To trade a single option, tap the Spread menu and change to Single. Then, to buy a call, tap the Ask for your desired contract. This takes you to the Order Editor. At the top of the Order Editor, you can see the current quote of the underlying stock, and below that, your selected option contract. To change between a buy or sell order, toggle the switch. Next, set your price. If you see the open lock, the price will move with the market. To manually edit the price, tap the trade price, enter a value, and it'll lock. If you need to leave the order editor, tap anywhere away from the order, and a draft of your order will be saved. Tap Order Draft to return to the trade. To place the trade, tap Review. On the order confirmation screen, you can review the order. To make any changes, tap Edit. If you're not ready to send this order, tap Save. Otherwise, tap Send. To view all orders, select Orders from the menu below. In the order book, you can view working orders, along with filled, saved, and canceled. That was how to trade a single option, but you can also trade complex spreads by filtering the option chain to show different spreads. And here, you can also customize the strike shown along with the exchange. Never miss a trade with thinkorswim mobile. For more great content and investor education, check out Insights in Education on Schwab.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notified when we release new videos.